Every year, more than 500,000 youth attend just over 200 school districts in Connecticut. As many as 1 out of every 5 school-aged youth suffer from a diagnosable mental health or substance abuse disorder. Only 20 to 30% of all children with diagnosable mental health conditions receive treatment.
Schools also become a primary source for when those unmet mental health needs come to the surface.
When you think about students, they must be connected to learning in order to be successful. And anything that disrupts that connection negatively impacts their outcome. So it is really important that if they have behavioral challenges, that they're connected to necessary supports.
The Emergency Mobile Psychiatric Service, EMPS, bridges the gap between children and the support services they need in their communities. EMPS is a free confidential service available to children up to the age of 19 who are in crisis. Services are provided by our community partners throughout Connecticut. Anyone with concerns for a child can contact EMPS by dialing 211.
By calling 211 if there is a situation where we need somebody to come out immediately to the school to assist or to assess a student situation, they will certainly come out. They'll also follow up with counseling. They'll work with the family.
They're just in crisis. An arrest is just going to exacerbate their angst. It's not going to solve anything. We end up calling the EMPS and they get services.
It's the bigger picture that we can't provide. We're here 186 days out of the year. It's really nice to have sort of this on-call service that you can reach out to and ask for help for these kids.
They might be able to offer a resource to the student and their family that we may not be able to provide.
With the passing of Connecticut Public Act 13-178, schools are required by law to set up a Memorandum of Agreement with EMPS providers.
It's not a cost to the school system. It's not a burden to the school system. It is simply connecting with the Emergency Mobile Psychiatric Services to understand what they can offer, how they can help, and how they can come to the school's aid.
EMPS is able to provide our students who are in crisis with resources that help them and allow them to focus on their education.
By us reaching out and utilizing other agencies, we're showing the kids that it's okay to ask for help.
For the parents, it's like a breath of fresh air that there's somebody out there who's going to look out for the child and support their child. For the child, it's knowing that that child's now connected to services. For the school, it's making sure that these kids are getting what they need.
We can get back to focusing our learning environment on learning without hurting the children who need help the most. And EMPS is a way and an avenue to get that help.